Cut brinjal into pieces. Now add chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, dhania powder. Add dhania powder, garam masala powder, pudina, ginger garlic paste, curd and mix well. Add curd and marinate it. Add oil, cinnamon, cloves, ilachi, bay leaf, star anise, somph, ginger garlic paste and onions and fry. Add ghee, fry until it becomes brown. You can add green chilies also. Now I am going to add brinjals and fry little bit. Now add rice and water. Fry little bit. Add water. After boiling, close the lid and cook for 15 minutes in a low flame, or you can cook for 2 whistles. Our brinjal fried rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.